Okay, so we're going to start off with contraception before we go into the menopause and HRT. So why do women take contraceptives? Well, mainly it is to do with preventing a pregnancy. But what we are seeing more and more and more is that women are taking contraceptives to reduce their hormonal symptoms. And I think one of the things that frustrates me, angers me even, is that the contraceptives are often recommended for their health benefits, including preventing cysts, acne, heavy bleeds, PCOS. I mean, you can see the list there. And I think that this is really challenging because, as you're going to see from this presentation, there aren't any real health benefits. Yes, you can get the symptoms lessen, let's say that, but the knock-on effect of what's happening with our bodies, because of the list that we've gone through of why we need estrogen, why we need progesterone, why we need testosterone, you are stopping your body by taking contraceptives. And so yes, your symptoms may ease, but there is this knock-on effect.
And it's a sticking plaster because you're not actually dealing with what caused them in the first place. So it is incredibly common that I am getting 14-year-old girls, 15-year-old girls who started their bleeds. They're very, very heavy bleeds. They're painful. It's disrupting their school life. And the first thing the GP does is put them on the pill, not actually looking at why are those bleeds heavy in the first place. And that is very much what we're going to cover in this.
And I think that is a wonderful way of how we work, is when there are symptoms or issues in the body, our first go-to is to ask the question why. And I don't think that this is necessarily the traditional model, which is there's symptoms, how do we get rid? It's a different